right, number 24. All right, so again, all the problems you're going to ask yourself, do I need a log? This time you do not need a log, and that's because the variable is not in the exponent. The exponent is 4. All right, so got to have a new plan. So our plan is always to get the variable by itself. Start by undoing, so you do actually have to divide by 3 first. If you decided to take things to the reciprocal power, you'd have to do both things on this side. So I divide first. So divide by 3, divide by 3. That will give you, cancel those. Now 48 divided by 3, 16. So 16 equals x minus 10 to the 4th. All right, now we want to try to undo that one, or that 4th power. Okay, so we're going to take both sides to the reciprocal. All right, so you get 16 to the 1/4, which my calculator is nice because it actually goes up there in the exponent. Know if yours doesn't, to make sure that you put parentheses around that 1/4. All right. Oh, convenient, 2. So 2 equals x minus 10. All right, so we're almost done. We just have to add 10 to both sides. All right, so x equals 12. Okay, so if you are my student, that will not give you full credit, because actually, remember when you have x minus 10 to the 4th equals 16, the idea is that if you're going to take something to the 4th and get 16, we figured out that that number is 2, but it can also be negative 2. Okay, so what you don't want to forget is when you even root something, you could have plus or minus. So really you should have a second equation. X minus 10 equals negative 2. Okay, so again, that's because 16 to the 1/4. It really should be at this point, it should be x minus 10 equals plus or minus 16 to the 1/4. All right, so then you're going to add 10 to both sides. All right, and you get x equals 8. Okay, so the idea here is that there's 2 solutions to this problem, 12 and 8.